Alas 9 na. Alas 9 na sa gabi guys. May araw pa oh. May barko guys. Yung bahay na ano. Hindi naman dito ano, masaya pag ganito, maraming tao. Ayan, nasa baba kasi daanan ang ano sa baba. Ito yung ano, floating na bahay, yung barko. Malaki tong sa gilid. Ayan. Klaro dito oh. Mataas pa yung araw oh. Yung langit oh, may jitlin. Madilim. Itong ano, may drawing na parang niyog. Ano yan siya oh, ang daming mga ano solar nga sa taas. Ano din yan? Floating house ship. Daming tao. May nag-inom din sa ano, sa
Don't get any closer. They spilled something that causes burns.
Who's they?
David and Eric in Tommy's house.
Tommy, hurry. Text mom and dad and say Dave and Eric are here. And tell them there's a new kind of amoeba that apparently can cause burns.
may dumaan naman oh.
It's me and Mom put this on. Mom, this one is. You put this on. No. Fine. Fine. I want your head to be over. I want you to
Palubog na yung araw guys, alas 9 na. Yun o, nasa baba, sa likod ng daming mga ano niyan. Tapos na sila. Hala. Akala ko totoong mahaba na ang tao. Ayan no.
On the contrary, it's making things worse.
Paano kaya yan sila no? Naka-balance. Babae yung isa lalaki.
It's Mom. She says the pesticide isn't working. We need to tell everyone to stop spraying.
That doesn't sound good.
Well, I'm going to see what's going on.
I'm coming with you. Wait, but what about David and Eric?
Dad is looking for them with Echo agents. Tommy, I think it's best if you
Maganda ang
just-
tanawin dito. Oh, may barko na naman na may ferry sa atin pe.
You guys wait till we get orders from my mom.
All right, we'll be here the moment you need us, okay?
Hala, may flag na Philippine.
Listen up, teams. This is
Red, blue,
Cease
white.
all of the spraying. I repeat, cease all of the spraying.
Eleanor,
The volunteers are saying
Hindi
the pesticide
klaro
isn't working.
dito.
There's a new kind of amoeba that causes burns. I think you should come over to the site right away.
Yan lang guys. Good.
he surprised me. Any news on David and Eric?
No, everyone's wearing these suits. We have to check them one by one.
What about the pesticide?
Thank you for watching. Magano na. Halang lang.
Anna. Yes?
I see you can't handle the situation.
No, we just need a few more hours.
I talked to the minister. You're off the case.
But without the pesticide, the
The
reserve
reserve is destroyed.
Bye-bye.
volunteers to bring back
Both
their
your
containers
legs
and
or
protect
only
their
yours?
cities.
Yung una kong adventure dito sa London. Thank you for watching. Masyal na lang tayo dito.